It's Saturday afternoon, October the 30th, 2021. And we're going to do an update on the progress at the Redland Middle School. This is the back side of the school, and it looks like where the white is around those buildings is where they're going to be laying bricks, what I understand. And this is the area where the buses will drop the students off. Coming around to the end where I imagine that's the gymnasium or auditorium, a big portion of that. And it looks like they're getting ready to put shingles on the portions where they have the roof done. They've done a little more on the bell tower. We're coming around here to the side, the Jackson Road end, and we're going to go right down the hallway, and you'll be able to see the update on the construction there. I imagine by next Saturday they should have most of those trusses up, and part of the roof on, and probably a lot of the shingles, because I see they have a lot of them laid out on the roof. And then there's the bell tower coming right along. And we're coming around on the front side of the school. I imagine this is where the administrative offices will be. I understand this end is going to be a tornado shelter portion of the school because it's really reinforced. There you can see the progress that they're making with the trusses. Looks like they have all the block work done. Now we're going to get a bird's eye view of the progress. It's, like I said, it's coming right along. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button as well. That way you'll be able to see all of the videos as they are updated. Thank you for watching.